In this updated InShot tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do something called text masking. To start, tap on Video, tap New, and add a video clip into the main track. Tap on Picture in Picture. Bring in a photo that has a solid black color. Resize the photo until the solid black color fills the preview window. Tap on the end of the photo and make sure you choose video end or clip end. I've got one clip in this project, so I can use either. Choose clip end. Play through your video clip to make sure that the photo is on screen for the entire duration or length of the video. Tap on the check mark. Tap the text icon. To put text on 2 lines, just hit the return key. Tap on your font selector. Choose a thick, bold font, something like this. Resize the text so you can see through the font. Then tap the text color and choose a green or a blue, something like this. Tap on the check mark and make sure that this text extends to the end of the video. Tap on the check mark and export the clip to your camera roll. Save that in your drafts if you want to. Then go ahead and open up another new project by tapping on Video and tap New. Select this clip. It will be added to the main track. Go ahead and tap Picture in Picture and select this clip here. Resize your text clip so that it fills the preview window. Swipe over and tap on Cutout. Choose Chroma Key, the symbol on the right, and highlight your green color. To remove the green color from your text, make adjustments if you need to, and then go ahead and tap on the check mark. Tap the check mark one more time. Your text clip should fill the whole preview area. If your text clip is resized properly, right now the picture-in-picture window is open. This is the main timeline. Play the clip, tap on the export icon,